morning to all our respected teachers and my dear friends. As we gather here to celebrate the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during the lockdown. As we all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. This day is celebrated to present the gratitude to all the teachers by the students. I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the history of Teachers' Day and why we celebrate it. Every year Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of September. Do you know why this date was chosen? The day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian scholar. He was also the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was a great scholar who dedicated his life towards education. Once he was asked by his students to celebrate his birthday, he simply replied and said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." His birthday was then declared as Teachers' Day to acknowledge all teachers. Since 1962, 5th of September is observed as Teachers' Day in India. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote: The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Naresh Kumar, and today we are gathered here to celebrate the birth of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We are celebrating Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday as Teacher Day. And that's all for today. Next, I would like to call Amar sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज शिक्षक दिवस है। 5 सितंबर को हम लोग शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जो हमारे भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति थे, उन्हीं का जन्मदिन पर शिक्षक दिवस हम लोग मनाना शुरू किए थे। 1962 ईस्वी में हम लोग सबसे पहले शिक्षक दिवस मनाए थे। जब वो उपराष्ट्रपति बने तो उनके शिक्षक और कुछ छात्र थे जो उनको जन्म दिवस मनाने के लिए बात उनके सामने रखे थे, पर उन्होंने वो मना कर दिए थे कि नहीं, मेरा जन्मदिन नहीं मनाना है, हमको ऐसा कुछ सेलिब्रेट नहीं करना है। फिर बहुत विचार विमर्श करने के बाद वो खुद स्टूडेंट को बुला के वो अपना प्रस्ताव रखे थे कि हमारा जो जन्म दिवस है वो जन्म दिवस के ना तौर पर बना के वो शिक्षक दिवस के तौर पर मनाया जाए, जो पूरे विश्व में विख्यात हो और साथ ही मेरे भारत का भी नाम रोशन हो। तो 1962 ईस्वी से हम लोग शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जो थे तमिलनाडु के थे। वो ब्राह्मण परिवार में उनका जन्म हुआ था। 1888 ईस्वी में उनका जन्म हुआ था, 1888 में, और 1975 में उनका मृत्यु हुआ था। तो ऐसे बहुत से महापुरुष रहे हमारे भारत में। अभी APJ अब्दुल कलाम लीजिए, जो बचपन से ही सिर्फ उनका ध्यान बुक में ही रहा और देश के प्रति समर्पित रहा। वो ट्रेन से पेपर बेच के अपना स्टडी मटेरियल तैयार करते थे। उनका कहना था कि हमारा भले कपड़ा फटा हुआ हो, कपड़ा पुराना हो, पर कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पर हमारा बुक स्टडी मटेरियल सब नया होना चाहिए। तो वो हमारे प्रेरणादायक शिक्षक रहे हैं, उनसे सीखना चाहिए। और लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जो हमारे द्वितीय प्रधानमंत्री थे, उनके बारे में वो एक अपना बुक लिखे थे। उसमें लिखे हैं कि जब अपना पढ़ाई में इतना मग्न हो गए थे कि जब उनके सामने से एक बाराती गुजर गया था पूरा बॉक्स उसके साथ में, तो उनको मालूम ही नहीं चला, वो इतना मग्न थे अपने पढ़ाई में लिखे। तो इन सब कहानियों से सीख मिलता है कि जो हमारे पूर्वज या फिर हमारे जो देश के लिए इतना कर गुजरे हैं, उनसे हम लोग कुछ सीखें और हम लोग अपना समाज, अपना स्कूल और अपना देश के लिए कुछ नाम रोशन करें। बाकी ट्यूशन के माध्यम से जो शिक्षक से आप लोगों को सिखाया जा रहा है उसको सीखिए, पढ़िए और अपना नाम आगे ऊंचा करिए, अपना मम्मी पापा का, अपना घर गांव का, समाज का। और नेक्स्ट अभी देखिए, शरीर को जैसे इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए भोजन का ज़रूरत पड़ता है, उसी तरह स्टूडेंट को जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए गुरु का मार्गदर्शन बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसलिए गुरु को, शिक्षक को हमेशा बात मानिए, वो जो बोलते हैं और समझाते हैं वो जीवन में उसको अप्लाई करिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए। तो ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए नरेश कुमार, सुभाष कुमार को हम बुलाना चाहते हैं। आओ।
Good morning to one and all respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the occasion of the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of our country, India. That's all. Thank you. And now, next I would like to call Santosh to give a valuable speech about the Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Good morning to all our teachers. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day on the occasion of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birth anniversary. As we know why we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Some student of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan requested to celebrate birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Then he told that on the occasion of my birthday, celebrate Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Naveen Kumar. Today we are gathered to celebrate the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was born in 5 September 1888. He was the President of India and he was also professor of the university. He is so intelligent boy and he was so. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the second president of the India.
Good morning to all of our teachers, my dear friends. As we have to celebrated the occasion of the Teachers' Day, I would like to thank you every teacher who has been our guiding forces during the lockdown. As we all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 15th of September. 15th September every year in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. This day is celebrated to present the parents the gratitude to all the teachers by the students. I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the history of Teachers' Day and why we celebrated it. Every year Teachers' Day celebrated on the 15th of September. Do you know why this date was chosen? The day marks the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian school. He was also the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was the greatest scholar who dedicated her life toward education. Once he was asked by his student to celebrate her birthday, he simply replied and said, instead of celebrating my birthdays, it would be my proud release if September 50 is observed as Teachers' Day. His birthday was then declared as Teachers' Day to acknowledge all teachers. Since 1962, 15th of September is observed as Teachers' Day in India. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam quote, the purpose of education is to make
Morning, my colleague teachers and dear students. So today we are celebrating Teachers Day on 5th of September, and we have started to celebrate Teachers Day from 5th of September 1962, and we have observed the Teachers Day celebration as the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and he was a great scholar, and he was a brilliant and very good minded teacher, and he was a great scholar, and he later became the second president of India, and we can learn many things from Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, as we should do every work consistently, and we should not remind like that everyone is saying that he has born like that and everything, and their parents is that. We should always remember that what we can learn from him. Like he was a great scholar, and he did every work consistently, and he was doing his very smart work. So he became a great scholar. So I would like to tell every student to learn something from Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, that whatever he was implementing in his life, so you should also do like that. Okay. So whatever he was doing, suppose he was studying in the colleges and university, and why he became the most talented person, and later he became the president of India, and why he was awarded like that. So we should also learn from him. So we should do all the things, whatever we are learning in the classroom, we should do practically at home. Suppose we are learning physics, so we should implement how this is, how we can do like that, and how this is all the things are happening in physics. In all your subjects, you should learn like that. Okay. So we should also visualize all the things. Suppose I am telling you in the classes like that, you should visualize all the things, so you should remember easily. Okay. So know that nowadays nobody is doing like a very hard work. They are doing like a smart work. Okay. People in the previous time, they were doing their hard work. Okay. So nowadays we should do our smart works, because nowadays you have technology in your hand. Suppose you don't know anything. Okay. So you can search in Google, that is in your hand. Okay. So that is called a smart work. Okay. So you are not doing a very hard work. So I will tell all the students that you should do very well in your study, whatever you are learning. So do practically in your home. So that's all. Thank you.
अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जहां शर्मा गए। अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, अभी तो यही घबरा गए। मेरा क्या होगा मेरा तराना नहीं, इन झुकती पलकों की सिवा दिल का ठिकाना नहीं, जचता ही नहीं आँखों में कोई, दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर गिर के संभल सकता हूँ मैं, तुम जो पकड़ लो हाथ मेरा दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ मैं, मांगा है तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए, अब खुद ही सनम फैसला कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन।